whatever they need.
Now, still on matters education, Basic Education Principal Secretary Julius Bitok has directed education officials in Kisii County to ensure that 200 teenage mothers who dropped out of school return to class as soon as possible. Now, speaking at Sugubo Secondary School grounds in Nyamache Sub-County during a community empowerment event, Bitok emphasized that the government is committed to ensuring every child under 18, especially teen mothers, are enrolled in school. He urged teachers, parents and religious organizations to protect young girls from vices that lead to early pregnancies.
Mtoto mwenye amekuwa defiled, wacha kuambia shame on you. Shame on you should be on that person who has defiled. Eti aibu kwa huyu mtoto amedefile. Wako na aibu gani? Hakujidefile. Sasa mnamwambia shame on you namna gani na mnawacha victim akitembea. There should be no answer. There should be no justification.
Bottom-up transformation is not really rocket science. It's about lifting people like these 200 girls from Sugubo who actually unfortunately got pregnant early to ensure that they too can belong into our society, they can earn a living, they can also lead a life.
Government is very keen on ensuring that every child below the age of 18 is in school. And the president has made it very clear that headmasters, principals should allow all students, whether they have uniform, whether they have school fees or not, they must be allowed to go back to school.
Still on the same bet, Social Protection Principal Secretary Joseph Mutari